Hello year one, welcome back to our math meeting. Make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. So go and get ready, I'm waiting. Welcome back guys. So we're going to start with Addison and she has got number 15 on the number line. We need to think of the numbers to the right of 15. We're going to count on from 15. Our numbers are going to get greater. Have a think, what comes after 15? All right, let's have a little practice, shall we? Let's check. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Well done, guys. Our number got greater. Your turn to count on from 15 to 21. Make sure you pronounce the teen numbers correctly. Well done. One more time all together. Are you ready? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Now we have Hattie doubles and halves. Today we are going to double 8. Double of 8, 8 plus 8. Have a think. What is it equal to? Double of 8, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Well done. When we add the same number twice, our number is getting greater. Double of 8 is equal to 16. Your turn. Now let's half 16. When we half, we divide, we are sharing. Our number is going to get smaller. Like yesterday, let's use what we know. We know that double 8 is equal to 16. Therefore, half of 16 is equal to 8. Well done. Let's practice saying double 8 is equal to 16. Half of 16 is equal to 8. Well done, year one. Remember, doubles and halves work together. Next job, bows bonds. We have again a part per whole. My whole is 10, my part is 7. How can I work out the missing part? Think how we did it yesterday. We subtracted a part from the whole. Have a go. Let's see. Number bonds to 10. 10 subtract 7 is equal to 3. Indeed, because 7 and 3, you climb the tree. My whole is 10, my parts are 3 and 7. We can add the parts to check if our whole is correct. Let me see your addition. Yes! 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So let's say it all together. Are you ready? My whole is 10. My parts are 7 and 3. 10 subtract 7 is equal to 3. And let's check. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Now, let's move on to what Noah knows. And he's using Bo's pawpaw whole. His whole is 10. His parts are 7 and 3. Let's look at the first addition. 7 plus 4 is equal to 10. Write it down. Actually, write the full equation. 7 plus is equal to 10. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Well done, year one. If you know that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, then what do you know? Check your papa whole. Indeed, if you know that 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, then you know that 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. We switch the parts around. Now let's look at the subtraction. If I know that 10 subtract 7 is equal to, write it down. Are you ready? Is equal to 3. Well done. If you know that 10 subtract 7 is equal to 3, then what do you know? Check the last subtraction. I removed 2 numbers. What are the missing numbers? What did we say? In year one, we always subtract from the, write it down. From the whole. Well done. Let's practice saying those equations together. If I know that 10 subtract 7 is equal to 3, then I know that 10 subtract 3 is equal to 7. I challenge you to write the next 2 subtraction and the next 2 addition. Remember, you can move the equal sign to the other side of the equation. Write them down and you can ask your parents to send them to your teacher. Share shapes. Our little friend has got 2D shapes. Let's go through them. She has got a circle, rectangle, triangle, oval, octagon, square, heptagon, pentagon, hexagon. Have a good look at the 2D shapes. They are flats, and I'm going to give you some clues. All right, my clues are, I'm thinking of a four-sided shape. Unlike yesterday, its edges are unequal. They're not the same. What shape am I thinking of? So let's have a look. Let's look at our 2D shapes. Yesterday's shape was a square. Its edges were the same. Today, again, the shape has got four edges, but they're not the same. They're unequal. What was my shape? It was a rectangle. Well done, guys. We have four edges. They are unequal. Two long edges, two short edges. Again, challenge someone in your family. Think of clues. Can they guess what 2D shape you are thinking of? Next one. Our little friend is back again with 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid and you can pick them up. Let's go through them, but we're going to start from the bottom this time. We have triangular base pyramid, square base pyramid, a cone, triangular prism, hexagonal prism, cylinder, cuboid, cube, sphere. Have a look at those 3D shapes and be ready for my clues. My clues are, I'm thinking of a 3D shape with one continuous surface. It can only roll, you cannot stack it up. What shape am I thinking of? It was a sphere. Well done, guys. Amazing. Again, who can you challenge in your house? Can they guess what 3D shapes are you thinking of? And you can even try to draw a sphere, like we did in class, and then you can send your pictures to your teacher. Patty place value. Today our little girl has got 4 new numbers and she needs our help to place them in descending order. Descending. Our numbers are going to get smaller. Let's read our numbers. We have 11, 1, 12, 21. I have chosen those numbers because I know in class it has given a few problems to people. So we can just practice again. Descending order. Our numbers are getting smaller. Therefore, we must start with the greatest number. Have a look. Which one is the greatest number and how do you know? You're right. It is 21. 21 has got 2 tens and 1 ones. It has the most tens in all our numbers shown here on the screen. What's going to come next? You're right, it's 12. 12 has got 1 10 and 2 ones. And I know 21 and 12 can confuse people sometimes. So here is an opportunity to practice. 21, 12. Which number is going to come next? And how do you know? 11. You're right. Like 12, 11 has got 1 10, but only has 1 ones. Amazing. 21, 12, 11. What's going to be the smallest number? And again, how do you know? 1. That's right. 1 has not got any tens. It only has 1 ones. Let's practice reading them together. Are you ready? From the greatest number to the smallest number, descending order. 21, 12, 11, 1. Your turn. Well, thank you, Year 1, for joining me for another math meeting. Keep playing the video and keep revising those numbers like 21 and 12 that can give a bit of trouble to people. Well done. Thank you. Bye.